पुलिस भद्राद्री कोत्तागुड़म ने कॉम्बिंग के दौरान एक माओविस्ट को गिरफ्तार कर लिया। तफसीलात के मुताबिक जिले भद्राद्री कोत्तागुड़म के चेरला मंडल हुदूद में वाक़ गेसरेपल्ली देहात की सरहद में वाक़ जंगलाती इलाके में पुलिस ने कॉम्बिंग के दौरान 4 अफराद को भागते हुए देखकर ताक़ुब करते हुए एक को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, जबकि दीगर 3 फरार होने में कामयाब हो गए। जब पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार शुदा शख्स से पूछताछ की तो उसने अपना नाम देवा बताया, जिसका ताल्लुक रियासत छत्तीसगढ़ के जिले सुकमा के गौलडीगुड़े देहात से है। उसने पुलिस को बताया कि वो साल 2011 से ममनुआ सीपीआई माओविस्ट पार्टी में 5वीं कंपनी में दूसरे प्लाटों का डिप्टी कमांडर की हैसियत से सुकमा कान की रजला में काम करने का इंकशाफ किया।
While they were conducting combing operation along with our local CRPF teams also, they found some persons who were trying to run away and caught hold of one person. Challa SHO and his team interrogated him and they caught him. His name is Sodi Deva, son of Ganga, 24 years, resident of Godlaguda, village of Dornapal PS of Sukma district of Chhattisgarh state. And from him these explosives, detonators, codex wise have been seized. Upon interrogation, it is found that he has been a Maoist party, banned Maoist party's active member since 2011. He has worked in Sukma, Kanker districts of Chhattisgarh. Presently, he is working as a 5th company, 2nd platoon's A section deputy commander. He is a deputy commander of A section, 2nd platoon of 5th company in Rawghat area of Chhattisgarh. He is involved in various offences against police forces, government properties and all. Out of them, some important are this 2015 में exchange of fire with BSF jawans in Rawghat area. 2015 again attack on one BJP leader in Kanker district. 2016 exchange of fire with police personnel. 2018 exchange of fire with again police personnel and security personnel. 2020 exchange of fire in Irapalli of Sukma district, which is bordering Sukma and Bijapur both. Then 2020 exchange of fire with security forces in Mempa of Sukma district. 2020 October they had exchange of fire with SSB police railway Suraksha Dal near Kosulgonda. So these are the important exchange of fire where he is involved in. So a case is registered against him and he is being arrested and will be produced to the court.